Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your PC. So first of all, go ahead and click on your Windows at the below left corner and just go ahead and click on the settings, and you're going to see a pop-up window of your settings right here appearing in front of you. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down right here, and you're going to see updated security. Just go ahead and click on it, and basically what I'm going to do, you're going to see right here the Windows update. If there is newest updates on Windows and everything, just go ahead and update it. And here you're gonna see on the left column, let me just go ahead right here and make it bigger. You're gonna see the troubleshoot and the recovery. Click the recovery right here, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and reset this PC. So click on it, right, and basically a pop-up window will appear in front of me, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wait it out for a few moments right here, basically. And here it says you have two options: keep my files or remove everything. In my case, I'm gonna just keep my files. Right now I'm gonna wait it out, and here it says, how would you like to reinstall Windows, cloud download or local reinstall, right? And just basically choose whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna just go ahead and cloud. And then it says right here, current settings, restore apps and settings which came with this PC, download and reinstall Windows, and then cloud download can use more than 4 gigabytes of the data. If you are okay with that, if you're satisfied with that, just go ahead and click next. And basically you gotta just wait a few moments right here, and basically what's gonna happen, you gotta just see the confirmation button, which is the reset button, and then you gotta just go ahead and reinstall, or you're gonna be able to reinstall your own PC with keeping your files in check. All right, let's wait on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.